Thousands of discarded Lifebuoys arrive at the recycling plant. It's time to give them a second life.
Look at the wear and tear. These buoys have braved the oceans, but now they are heading to the shredder.
Next up, heavy-duty rotary brushes. They scrub the tough stains right off.
Look at that foam action. Making sure every inch is perfectly prepped.
Rinse it down. Powerful jets wash away the soap and remaining dirt.
Squeaky clean. These buoys look almost brand new again.
Now let's drain the excess water. They travel along a mesh conveyor.
All that dirty wastewater is collected and filtered separately.
Time to dry them up. Heading straight into the massive industrial oven. Bone dry and ready for destruction. Here they come out of the heat tunnel.
The end of the line for the buoy shape. Down the chute into the industrial shredder. Watch out for the teeth. Dual rotary blades will chew these up in seconds.
Absolute destruction. The solid plastic and ropes are torn to tiny pieces.
It rains orange plastic flakes. A perfect mechanical bite.
A continuous cascade of raw material, but wait, the white rope is still mixed in.
We need pure orange. Time to separate the fiber ropes from the plastic flakes on the vibrating screen.
Gravity and vibration do the trick. Plastic falls through, ropes stay on top. Look at that perfect separation. A river of pure orange plastic awaits.
A final wash for the flakes. Washing away the last bits of dust.
Submerged and blasted, these flakes are reaching maximum purity.
Slippery and clean, they cascade onto the final drying belt.
Fierce infrared panels bake the flakes, making them perfectly crispy and dry.
Time for drying part 2. We must completely eliminate moisture before melting.
Out of the dryer and up the ramp. The transformation is about to get intense.
Into the inferno. The flakes dive straight into the massive melting crucible.
Absolute meltdown. The plastic turns into bubbling, glowing liquid lava. Here comes the liquid gold, or rather, liquid orange. Thick, hot, and viscous, squeezed through an extruder die, transforming chaos into perfect, glowing strands.
Look at those molten noodles roll. Hundreds of strands stretched to perfection.
Keeping them aligned is crucial. They glide through the guide teeth without touching each other. Plunge into the cooling bath. Flash freezing the plastic to lock its shape. The magic moment. The glowing liquid solidifies into tough, durable threads. A quick pass under the drying lamps to remove surface water. We need them perfectly dry for spooling.
Out they come, solid, vibrant orange, but dripping wet.
Now, they split off to individual winders, precision reeling at lightning speed. Tension rollers lock them tight. Look at that flawless, uniform finish. Spinning at high RPM, the spools fill up with incredibly strong recycled orange cable.
Done. Look at these massive spools ready for shipping.
Welcome to the warehouse. Thousands of recycled spools standing tall, ready for the world.
Stacked high and proud. From discarded ocean trash to premium recycled materials, an incredible transformation complete. The endless aisles of reborn material. Feel that texture. The quality is unmatched, ready to be used for something amazing. An absolute ocean of orange. This facility processes tons of waste daily. A remarkable journey. From broken buoys to beautiful new resources. That is the power of ultimate recycling. Preserving our planet, one buoy at a time.
This isn't just waste management. This is industrial art.
Welcome to the warehouse. Thousands of recycled spools standing tall, ready for the world. Wrap tight on sturdy spools. These things weigh a ton. Perfect coils. Maximum durability. Ready for any industrial challenge. A monument to modern recycling technology. The scale here is just staggering. What started as dirty, broken ocean trash is now a pristine product. It's an endless canyon of vibrant orange. The glowing orange color remains bright and highly visible, just like its original purpose.
Rows upon rows, waiting to be shipped globally for new applications.
This isn't just waste management. This is industrial art.
A brilliant, glowing success story. See you on the next recycling journey.
Amazing.
Welcome to the warehouse. Thousands of recycled spools standing tall, ready for the world.
An incredible transformation complete. The endless aisles of reborn material.
Done. Look at these massive spools ready for shipping.
Rows upon rows, waiting to be shipped globally for new applications.